For your standing band press, anchor the band about mid-height on the door frame and step inside of the band. Once inside the band, go ahead and grab it with both hands, palms facing forward, about shoulder width or just slightly wider than shoulder width. Walk the band forward, bracing the core, bracing the shoulders, pulling them down and back. From this starting position, go ahead and press the band straight forward and pull it back in a controlled manner. Throughout this entire exercise, make sure that your chest stays tall and your shoulders keep pulling down and back.